Ducati presents the new Panigale V4-R. Please like and subscribe. The engine retains its top speed of 16,500 revolutions per minute in 6th gear, an unparalleled value in the Supersport range of similar displacement, limiting the power loss to only 3 horsepower despite the new Euro 5 homologation. It produces 218 horsepower at 15,500 revolutions per minute and 111.3 Nm at 12,000 revolutions per minute. By fitting the non-homologated racing exhaust, it is possible to take full advantage of all the upgrades made to the engine, and the maximum power figure can even reach 237 horsepower and 118 Nm. Adding a racing exhaust and the latest fuel that has been developed by Shell in conjunction with Ducati will bring the max power output to 240.5 horsepower. Another key to the additional power has been the use of gun-drilled titanium connecting rods and DLC-treated pistons, which Ducati say is a first for a road bike, although the technology is common in Formula 1 and MotoGP prototype racers. Inertia is also reduced thanks to new piston geometry, which reduces their weight by 2%, or 5 grams. To control that power, there are also new engine modes, with full and low being added. Full unleashes the full power of the V4-R, with electronic aids only in 1st gear. Low, on the other hand, reduces the power to 160 horsepower to make the bike more suitable for road riding. The Panigale V4-R also adopts the engine brake control Evo 2. This electronic engine brake management system features a different gear-by-gear calibration on each of the 3 selectable levels. The strategy was developed to optimize the intensity of the engine brake as a function of the load on the rear axle. The Ducati Quick Shift is refined and optimized to deliver smooth shifts with both partial and full throttle. For immediate display of the information needed while riding on the track, the dashboard graphics have been modified, which differs by using an external LED, as is done on SBK motorcycles, for gear shift indication, reducing response time and improving the quality of feedback provided to the rider. At the front, the Öhlins NPX 2530 pressurized fork increases its travel by 5 mm compared to the previous R. This technical solution, combined with an Öhlins GTX 36 shock absorber whose center distance goes from 312 to 316 mm and a standard adjustment of the swing arm pivot to the +1 position, increases the rear height by 20 mm. In this way, a higher center of gravity is achieved and therefore a greater nimbleness in corner entry and changes of direction. The new Ducati Panigale V4-R can be recognized by the carbon winglets and the MotoGP-inspired livery, which integrates white race numbers with the number 1. For the first time, the motorcycle will be produced in a numbered series, with the serial number and model name appearing on the billet aluminum handlebar bridge. Another aesthetic addition is the brushed aluminum fuel tank, which has a capacity of 17 liters. Ducati's stated weight ranges from 167 kg empty with a racing exhaust, up to 193.5 kg with a Euro 5 exhaust and full of fluids. The 2023 version of the Ducati Panigale V4-R will be available at a price of €43,990 at the end of February or the beginning of March 2023. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.